Well, good evening, Southeast Texas. The hot, dry weather we've had lately will be changing next week as tropical moisture arrives off the Gulf of Mexico. Your weather headlines: a few isolated storms beginning to show up on radar tomorrow. The coverage 10 to 20%, and some heavy rainfall possible Monday through Wednesday. A little bit less coverage as we head toward the latter half of the week as that deep tropical moisture slides on off to the west and southwest. We've been in the lower 90s. It's been a hot Sunday afternoon across the region, even across Texas, some lower 100s across the southwest. Now let's take a look at moisture levels across the region so far. Of course, it's been fairly dry, not a lot of deep moisture in place. Still watching the tropical moisture to our southeast in the Gulf. This is 24 hours from now, or late Sunday afternoon. You see the deeper moisture beginning to approach from the southeast. Some of the deepest moisture will begin arriving on Monday, and especially Tuesday and Tuesday night and early Wednesday. There's Monday night, really deep moisture coming in. The bulk of the deepest true tropical moisture will stay to our south, but we still have the potential for some 2 to 5 inch rainfall totals, especially from Interstate 10 southward coming up Monday through Wednesday as this tropical moisture works on off to the northwest. And you'll see really a lot of moisture there Tuesday night. Then we'll see a little bit of drying Wednesday afternoon into Thursday, but even then still some scattered showers in the forecast. Rainfall totals, now this will change some tomorrow as we approach Monday, but right now we're forecasting anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches from Interstate 10 southward. Of course, the real heavy stuff be back to our southwest. Some less totals up in the lakes, looking for some 1 to 2 inch rains, maybe an isolated 3-inch total up in the lakes area. Of course, our winds have been out of the southeast. And Futurecast tonight, not a bad night, mostly clear skies. Another night with some light winds. Temperatures in the mid 70s for lows, a little more humidity. Now, as we head throughout the day tomorrow, we'll finally start seeing the development of at least a few isolated thunderstorms in the forecast tomorrow. Once again, that coverage tomorrow around 10 to 20%. Around Lake Charles, a sea breeze beginning to develop there, and some of those advancing northward. So there'll be a couple of isolated showers around for your Sunday afternoon, but it really picks up beginning on Monday at 60 to 70%. Marine forecast: winds beginning to pick up a little bit tomorrow out of the southeast up to 15 knots. Water temperature at 85. Tonight, no rain expected, mostly clear. Lows in the mid 70s. A little more humidity tomorrow. 10% coverage for the Triangle and inland southeast Texas. We'll keep the isolated showers out of the lakes for now. Highs in the low 90s. 7-day forecast first. 10 to 20% coverage tomorrow. That jumps to a 60 to 70% coverage on Monday. Now, it's not going to rain all day in every location, but as you see here, Monday through Wednesday, 70% coverage, could be some 2 to 4 inch rainfall totals in a few spots. Then a little bit drier as we head toward the end of the week on into next weekend. But even then, scattered showers will be in the area due to moisture across